Hey friends, if you wish to set data limit for your Wi-Fi on your Windows 11 laptop or computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Wi-Fi in the right pane. Select the Wi-Fi network. Okay. Now one method to do so is using the metered connection, but there's one more thing that you can do. Click on set a data limit to help control usage on this network. Okay. Now you can enter the limit here. You can choose the limit type, whether it's daily, weekly, monthly. Let's say it's daily. Reset it at every 12 a.m. and the data limit is, let's say, 30 and the unit is GB, and click on save. Now it will seize the internet once it has reached that uh, mark of 30 GB in a day. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.